Hi, welcome. This is Lori Dieter, and I'm going to show you how to make a ratio table and solve it. So my problem says 4 balls of wool will make 8 knitted caps. So 4 balls of wool makes 8 caps. How many balls of wool will Malcolm need if he wants to make 6 caps? Well, normally on a ratio table, they would go up nice and neat, but sometimes they don't. So I tell my students it's kind of like a roadblock. Maybe there's something in the road or the bridge is washed out. You can't go directly from 8 to 6. Nothing times 8 gets you to 6. Nothing will divide into 8 to give you 6. So what we have to do is we have to find something that will go into 8 and into 6 to be our bridge. In this case, 2 works quite well because 2 goes into 8 and 2 goes into 6. So now we can say 8 divided by what gives me 2. So 8 divided by 4. We use divided by because it's getting smaller. Whatever we do on the bottom, we have to do on the top. So 4 divided by 4 gives us 1. Now we're on that bridge, we can go from 2 to 6. So 2 times 3 equals 6. So we do what we did to the bottom, we do the top. We multiply it by 3. 1 times 3 gives me 3. So my equivalent ratio would be 3:6. That's how many balls of wool it will take to make 6 caps. Let's see if I can do another one for you. Okay, if a hummingbird were to get all its food from a feeder, then a 16-ounce nectar feeder would feed about 80 hummingbirds. So 16 will equal about 80. This is the nectar. And this is the birds. The rest of the problem goes on to say, how many hummingbirds would you expect to feed with a 12-ounce feeder? And we're looking for that bottom one. Well, nothing divides into 16 to give us 12. It doesn't go evenly. So again, we have to bridge that gap and find something that will go both ways. In this case, 2 also will work. So 16 divided by 8 gives us 2. So 80 divided by 8 gives us 10. Then 2 times 6 gives us 12. So 10 times 6 gives us 60. So we can feed 60 birds with the 12-ounce feeder.